Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to allocate disk space for any business email. So let's log in into our hosting account. After that, let's go to the cPanel. Now here we can find out email accounts. Here you can see on the top, just you can search email and you will find this section. After that, click here. Now here we can create a new business email. Just we can give a name. After that, scroll down. Here you can add a password. Then here you can see optional settings. Just click here, edit settings. Here you can see by default we can select 1 GB. You can increase the disk space according to your requirement. For example, if you receive more emails, then you can allocate 10 GB or 20 GB. Also you can select unlimited. Then after that, click on create. Now here you can see the email has been created. Now you can log in into your email account. Just click here, check email. Then click on open. So here you can see we are logged in into our business email. So thank you for watching video.